Most Americans think their biggest financial problem is not earning enough. They're wrong. Studies show the average household leaks over $300 every single month. Money that silently disappears on subscriptions they forgot, fees they never agreed to, and spending habits that feel invisible. Today, Alex is going to show you exactly where your money is going and how to plug every single leak. Here's the truth about money leaks. They don't feel like emergencies. They feel like normal life. That $14 streaming service you forgot about, the $9.99 app you downloaded once, the bank fee that hits on the 15th. Individually, none of these hurt. Together, they can destroy your ability to invest, save, or get ahead. The first category is subscriptions. The average American is paying for 4.5 subscriptions they rarely or never use. Streaming services, app subscriptions, gym memberships, magazine renewals, they all share one feature. They're easy to sign up for and nearly invisible when they renew. Your first job is to run a subscription audit. Right now, not someday. Here's exactly how to do it. Go to your bank or credit card statement for the last 90 days. Highlight every recurring charge. For each one, ask, did I use this in the last 30 days? If not, cancel it today. Don't wait. Don't plan to cancel. Cancel it right now. Alex did this and found 3 services he'd forgotten, saving $47 a month instantly. The second leak is bank and card fees, monthly maintenance fees, out-of-network ATM charges, overdraft fees, paper statement fees. These are optional costs that banks make look mandatory. In 2025, the average American paid over $180 a year in avoidable bank fees. That's money you gave away for literally nothing. The fix is straightforward. First, call your bank and ask to have fees waived. It works more often than you think. Banks would rather keep you than lose you. Second, if they won't budge, switch to a high-yield account like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi, all of which charge 0 monthly fees and pay 4 to 5% interest. Alex made this call in 12 minutes and saved $144 a year. The third leak most people miss is unnecessary insurance add-ons. Rental car insurance you already have through your credit card. Extended warranties on appliances you'll replace before they break. Accidental death riders that duplicate your life insurance. These aren't protecting you. They're profiting your insurer. Review your policies and strip out every add-on you're doubling up on. The fourth leak is the hardest to spot because it hides behind habit. Late-night online shopping. One-click Amazon purchases. Drive-through coffees. None of these feel like a decision. They feel automatic. But habits are just decisions on autopilot. Alex tracked his impulse spending for 1 week and found $63 of purchases he couldn't even remember making. The most powerful fix for impulse spending is the 24-hour rule. Any unplanned purchase over $30, you wait 24 hours before buying it. That's it. Research shows that 70% of impulse purchases are abandoned when there's a 24-hour pause. Put the item in your cart, close the tab. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it. If you've forgotten about it, you just save that money. The fifth category is the convenience premium. Delivery fees on food that would cost half as much if you picked it up. Convenience stores charging 30% more than supermarkets. Express shipping on items that aren't urgent. Paying for convenience is human, but doing it unconsciously every day is a leak that compounds. Alex estimated that cutting just 2 food deliveries a week would save him $1,200 a year. Now you know where the leaks are. Here's how to seal them permanently. Step 1. Run the 90-day audit every quarter. Step 2. Set a dedicated discretionary spending limit each week, cash or a separate debit card. Step 3. Automate your savings before you can spend. The money you save from leaks goes directly to your investment account, not your spending account. Here's what this all means in numbers. If you plug just $300 a month in leaks and redirect that into an index fund earning 8% annually, after 10 years, you would have over $54,000. That's money you were literally throwing away that becomes real wealth. The leaks weren't small. They were compounding against you. Now they compound for you. Your action step for today. Open your last 3 months of bank and credit card statements right now. Find every recurring charge. Find every fee. Find your 3 biggest impulse categories, write them down, cancel what you don't use, negotiate what you can, redirect the savings to your index fund or high-yield account today, not next week, today. This is part 2 of the Wealth Building Roadmap. Every video in this series gives you one clear step toward real financial security. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss a step. The next video covers how to build your safety net, the cash buffer that makes everything else possible.